April 27, 1 o'clock. My daughter Sasa was curious about the tobacco. So Sasa tagged along. We barn 5, 6 content was taken out. June, the agent, LGU agent, came and trained Jean-Claude and other people how to sort the tobacco. I didn't get to witness that. And of course, you have this tobacco on the ground. I don't know. So lessons learned how to improve something so that this tobacco, well, very little tobacco leaves are wasted. Some tobacco were picked up, it looked like, and then hang to dry. But there's more on the ground, so so lessons learned to farmers. Oh, they use wires because we ran out of bolos to use as hanging frame. So here we have barn 7. It really is. There's a lot of tobacco leaves that's just waste. And because it's been raining, I mean, that's the condition. Most likely there's water there. Yeah, can't see. It's too far in. Probably water. Yeah, collapsing like that. Yeah, there's water. So next go round, lessons learned. What to do now? When you lop off the tobacco, the what we call saringit, so tobacco again, I don't know, they on the side of the tobacco stalk or tree, start a new set of tobacco. I heard we can harvest them. The challenge with these is that they do take energy, nutrients from the existing leaves, and so they what tend to happen is it lightens the leaves. Yeah, lots of liquid. How are you gonna deal with this? Well, you just have to think about how to deal with this the engineering way. You don't know what you don't know until you know what you don't know. So I didn't know it will be like this. Now I know. So what am I gonna do about it? At this moment, I don't know. So here we have barn 1 to 4. Look like number 4 is also tobacco is removed from it. So when I come back, I need to bring garbage bag. It's so messy. I just can't stand it. Plastic bag, plastic bottle, and whatever. So we just needs to be cleaned. So we're almost the last one to harvest. There's still other people. Right across the river, there's still tobacco there. But with the rainy season, people are kind of concerned that it will impact their tobacco while they're being cured. I'm too, as you can witness. So, growing tobacco in the Philippines. Fun a minute.
I-separate po.
Yes,
Pero
separate.
pag mabandel to, boss, i-separate din. Ito yung ano niya, goods.
goods.
Asan yung goods? Yan.
Inyati goods.
Haji ni boss na ito yung goods.
So this is good.
Yellow.
Okay. So
Dalawang pili lang po yung ano.
Nyamati kanayaw. What do you say? Mayat nga apit, maday.
Sir.
Napintas. Andang ang awan nga napintas.
Mayang, ito mo nga muna yung ano mo. Ha? Nakirasang doon. Ito.
Okay, so mayat nga rod
Yung kita man, kalatak yung purita ka. Siklag may guwan.
So
Kulang tika rin dayo.
spotted is removed from the Nyarami din tayo spotted. Biling
Madiang ka, alam da malata. Ilas kuan sa bali.
ilasan lang ti spotted.
Sa bali lang ti
So
kuan.
the spotted needs to be separated. We don't throw it away. They have some value. Okay. So may box na gitoy. Anyan to teramidin tayo no may box.
3 days lang kan.
3 days.
Miyerkules i-bundle so na.
Lunes, Martes, Merkules.
2 days mga may Webes kay alain dan ka. Miyerkules.
Lunes,
Martes.
Martes.
Nagsunod at takin nagmalmalim yung bigat kay papa nagulit.
Oh,
May
okay. Very good. Okay. Kita kita natin nagijay kamkamaran niya, ma-recover na gijay o nakasilatan.
Bakit lama ka na sakte matig pa. Tudo, may kumanggal no madina sakte. Aji lalo di pinagabot ti black mambas nga.
Okay. Okay, so tata kajay latan.
Kuno
Next time, ajay pampanood next time awanti mabalbalin awanti.
wala. Di ba tawag ta di bulong? Kumadyo naman ko nabigla tayo ng tibaro tawong bulong.
Okay. Ayan lang adal. Jacket nga maminsan kuno next time kit awanti remedyo to yun. Ajay. Okay, so
Adi ka din hawid ko ang kalagan sa kapay so na kay.
nga may insorsoro nati kaya nang isorsoro di mayat
Toy ba ang tayo.
kastoy anya ti kastoy.
Very good.
Very good.
Pajalipi ko man ibubusin ko na ro tayo.
Jollibee pa kit tampay ita pa no anya ti basta na. Okay. Thanks for watching.